Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. So I bought another 350Z. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I posted it on my IG. Here she is. I'm gonna be painting it, and then basically we're gonna be replicating my other 350Z with this one. So this one's gonna be exactly like my other one, the exact same parts, exact same paint job, and all that good stuff. So right now I'm just gonna throw the paint, and then we're gonna clear coat it, and then we'll see how she comes out. I also installed more lights. I installed one on the side. I'm gonna show it to you guys so I can see better, and then I threw another one up there, and then I have another one over here, so it's gonna help out. Check it out. Damn. And then the one for up top, gotta connect it right here, and bam, check it out. So much better, no? This thing is looking like a booth now. And also I installed 2 fans with filters. The filters are up top, so they're supposed to be pulling air up, and then it's got a filter up top, so hopefully it helps with the overspray. If not, I'll probably add another 2 over here, but for now let's test it out, and I guess let's get started with this car. I'm just gonna wipe it down, and then we'll start painting it. Alright broski, so I just finished spraying the car and she came out good. Here she is. Flake looks nice and even. Nice and wet. What do you guys think, broskies? I think the paint jobs are getting better and better. Practice definitely makes better. I'm not a pro yet, but looking pretty good, broskies. Those fans didn't really work. I don't know if you guys saw in the video. We still had a lot of overspray, so I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna try to like do some more research and then see how we can get rid of overspray. I really don't want to open the doors and let all the smell out because I don't want the neighbors calling the city on me, or they might, you know, call the city on us again. So let me know if you guys know or have any ideas of how to get rid of the overspray. But yeah, broskies, other than that, car came out pretty good, not bad. I'm gonna start taking off the tape right now. Hopefully I don't mess up the paint job. But yep, I like it. I love it. Alright broskies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a fat ass like. It just shows me that you guys really care. And subscribe if you are new. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.